Right guys, nice and simple. So what we've got here, if you look in the middle, we've got as scene view, which we can switch to our game view just here. Obviously, scene view is what we can move things around in. So if I click on the camera and I can move that around, just kind of like this. Game view, we can't move anything. That's purely what the camera sees. So we've got scene view, we've got as inspector just here. So if we select something in the game view, we can then edit it in the inspector. So for instance, if I wanted to change the background, I could go in here and I could go, right, my game and the camera are going to have a red background. So now we can see a red background. So basically everything you're going to edit will either be in here or it'll be in code in MonoDevelop. Our hierarchy is where we can put objects essentially. So if I went in here and I said I'm going to add a sprite in here, and I made that sprite just, I don't know, let's increase the scale. I'll show you how to do this later on, but you will see from this we will then have objects that we can move around in here, and essentially that will be their main purpose in here. So yeah, that's what we've got: hierarchy, inspector, game and scene view. And then we come down to here, we've got this project. So this is where we store all of our files, our game objects. So for instance, I might go in here, and I'll get you to do this in a second, make some new folders. So this might be my sprites folder, and then I've got another folder to go into there. So we'll store all this information in there. And the final one that's kind of basic and we're not looking into too much is our console, which obviously there's nothing in here at the minute, but when you're running the game, if you get any errors, chances are they will show up in the console. So we'll be able to go from there to there and see what's up with it. Up here, play button, pause button, nice and simple. And that's about it for some of the basic kind of functions of the default layout. You can, if you want, move this around, so you could have the game view there with your scene view there, or you might have your console over here, but I personally prefer the default. So what I would do is I just go into here, click default, and it goes back to how it is. But yeah, that is the basic layout right there.